Hi everyone, my name is Paola Redondo, and this is a little presentation about my experience in um, developing my first game. It's called George versus Arepa, by the way. A little bit about myself. I was born in Caracas, Venezuela. I came here to the United States 3 years and a half ago. I started my freshman year in Miami-Dade College, studying computer engineering. I was also part of the Student Government Association, just a little club, very fun. One of my jobs was repairing cell phones, so if you have a cracked screen, you can let me know. And one of my hobbies is play beach volleyball in Miami Beach. It's way better than indoors. For my game, I actually changed my mind like a couple of times. I wanted to start with a regular snake game, and then I found this one in the App Store, the Snake versus Block, and I kind of made it work like it, and I was trying to find the pictures to put it, and I didn't like the snakes, so I got the idea of using my favorite Venezuelan comedian called, his name is George Harris, and then he always makes jokes about him being fat. And I decided to make the blocks, the obstacles, arepas, and the little circles that give you more points, the Herbalife symbol. So if he eats the arepas, he won't die, but his score will get lower. So for the challenges, basically, all of them were solved in kind of like in a process. The only difference was for the collision. I found block of code in internet, and then I applied it, and it worked. Even like I found it and it worked, but I still wanted to understand how, like why it did. So I had to draw little kind of like try different scenarios in a piece of paper to understand the logic, because there wasn't a point to just copy and paste. And the other two were displaying George's image in the canvas and making the character follow the mouse, since that was something kind of new. So for the solution was basically try to tackle the challenge that I have in another window and by itself without any other code, and then watch a bunch of YouTube tutorials. Usually it didn't work, so I had to go to my TAs, Manuel, Marcus, and Sandra. Thank you guys for the help. And sometimes it wouldn't work either, so my last resource will be Nick. Thank you. And he will solve the problem that I was trying to solve for 5, 6 hours. He will do it like in 10 minutes. But I understood, like that made me mad, but I understood that that was part of the process of learning. So this is a block of code of my game. So when we were trying to display the image, it was outside of the animate function. So it will get erased. So here's the demo. So basically, he starts with 20 in life, and then he gets the Herbalife. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry. And he gets to 26, and then if he eats like an arepa, then 25, and then 22, 20. And then the more he eats, the lower the score. And basically, you don't technically win in this game. It's kind of like Flappy Bird when you just play forever until you get like a high score. And the way to lose is, well, it already passed, is if you get to 0. If I had a little bit more time, I would put like a pop-up, like a model, I think is the name, to say that you lost. The things that I will improve later will be, besides fixing the link in the presentation, fix the problem of double collision that you will see later, add background music, and make it look prettier, and add the lines that are actually in the original game in Snake versus Block. Thank you.